Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to see Reels history on Facebook. First, open your Facebook app. From here, go to Menu on the bottom right. Now, tap on Settings on the top beside the search icon. Once you're here, tap on Profile Settings. And then, scroll down and go to Activity Log. Now, scroll down to the bottom. From here, tap on View Activity History. Once you're here, tap on Filters. From here, select Categories. From here, you will get to see multiple options like your posts, activity you're tagged in, interactions, and then groups, events, and reels. So now you have to tap on Groups, Events, and Reels. After that, go to Reels. After that, you will get to see all the reels you've watched, liked, or commented on right here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.